If you run a dental practice, you know the feeling of starting back at zero on the first of every month. Most practices rely on a massive volume of single appointments, whether it's cleanings or one-off treatments, just to cover the monthly overhead. We've studied some of the top dental groups in the world, the ones generating billions across hundreds of locations, and they do things differently. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the exact same predictable, steady stream of revenue right alongside your current workflow. We'll use Invisalign as the example on how automated systems can attract new inquiries and instantly turn them into recurring revenue. Right now, your word-of-mouth referrals are unpredictable. One month you're busy and the next month your diary is empty. To fix this, you've probably tried running ads or boosting posts on Facebook or Google, but it usually feels like gambling. You spend a fortune only to get a bunch of price shoppers messaging you asking how much. Meanwhile, the high-value patient, the one looking for a 75,000 Rand smile makeover or a full Invisalign treatment, are slipping right through the cracks. There are two main reasons for this. First, you don't have a predictable system to attract them. And second, even when you do get their attention, converting them requires a level of nurturing your team simply doesn't have the time for. Your front desk is already drowning. They're answering the phones, checking patients in, processing medical aids, and managing your waiting room. They do not have the time to instantly reply to high-ticket inquiries that comes in at 8 p.m. And by the time your team finally calls them back, days later, that patient has already booked with the dentist down the road. And this is why you need a foundation of big treatments to stabilize your cash flow. Invisalign is the perfect example. When you sell an Invisalign treatment, you're not just selling a 1-hour slot in your chair. You're selling a long-term care plan. Patients are committing to a major transformation, which means they're either paying a large sum upfront or committing to monthly payments for 12 to 18 months. Imagine waking up on the first of every month knowing you already have 500,000 Rand guaranteed to come in from your active patients before you even open up your doors. That stability gives you the confidence to buy better equipment, hire better staff, and finally look at growth differently. So here's the 4-step system. Step 1. How do you actually get these big cases? It starts with the shift of how you advertise. Dentists are always asking, should I be on TikTok, Facebook, or Google? The answer depends on who you want in your chair. But the golden rule is this. Stop asking for the sale immediately. You cannot ask someone to commit to a 75,000 Rand treatment plan the first time they see your name. Instead, give them value. Educate them so that by the time they sit in your chair, they are already convinced. Step 2. Stop sending ad traffic to your main website. Your homepage has too many distractions. Instead, create one simple dedicated landing page specific to Invisalign or your high-ticket cosmetic treatment. It needs before and after photos, video reviews, and pricing guidance. But here is the secret weapon, the high-value content offer. Instead of a button that just says book a consultation, offer something they can't say no to, like a PDF on the 5 things you must know before getting an Invisalign treatment. To get it, they simply enter their name and their WhatsApp number. Now you've just captured a highly interested lead by being helpful and not pushy. Step 3. The second the patient downloads your guide, our AI software instantly sends them a friendly WhatsApp message. Hi Sarah, here's your Invisalign guide. While you're looking through it, do you have any questions about aligners or how our pricing works? This isn't a robotic chatbot. It acts as a sales assistant. It answers questions, shares case studies, handles worries about the pain, and guides them towards a booking. And the best part, your staff didn't do a thing. While you are performing surgery, this system is booking a 75,000 Rand consult directly into your patient management software, 24/7. And the last step is following up. We all know that getting them in the chair is only half the battle won. After you present your treatment plan, not everyone buys on day one. They need to check their budget or talk to their spouse. Based on our research, this is where revenue leaks. Your busy staff forgets to follow up and the patient goes cold. But not anymore. 2 days later, your system automatically checks in. Hi Sarah, it was great having you in the practice. The doctor wanted me to check if you had any final questions about the treatment plan. This polite, automatic follow-up is a secret to turning "I'll think about it" into a paying patient. This is how you escape the revenue hamster wheel. You keep your routine treatments running to serve your community, but you build a system in the background that consistently finds, educates, and books big cases for you. You stop relying on human memory and start relying on automated systems. If you want to install this exact system, we've mapped out every single step for you. Click the link below this video and we'll create a personalized roadmap based on your revenue target for 2026. Let's build your practice into a scalable asset.